Hey, welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 10712 Valor Place, which is a completely renovated 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story house built in 1975 with 1,798 square feet on a quiet cul-de-sac street here in the city of Santee, 92071. This house is in the Hill Creek Elementary School boundaries, which educates K through 8th grades and is less than a mile away. The elementary school, which feeds into Santana High School for 9th through 12th grades, is only a half a mile away. My name is Morrison, and I'm gonna walk you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before we get started, I'm gonna put a link in the description below where you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so here we are outside. I want you to notice how large that front yard is. And we are approaching the 2-car garage. And as we walk up to the entry here, I want you to look up and see the vaulted ceilings here. There's a huge amount of, covered entryway, which is very nice to hang out here. I like the newer windows that come out throughout the house, but a nice covered entry is great for having seating out here. And as you're making our way into the double doors, you can see how everything has been freshly renovated. I love all the light colors that bring in a lot of natural light, even on this cloudy day. Here I want to show you the thermostat, electronics thermostats, which are kind of nice. But you have a nice entry pad. But even on this cloudy day, you can see how bright this room is. Look at the vaulted ceilings and see how much natural light floods in through those big, tall windows. Okay, you got vinyl floors here, tile floors there. Look up here. This is a really cool loft that overlooks the living room. We'll get up there a little bit later. But the stairway, you got the wood, you got the iron. Really cool combination. It makes it feel nice and luxurious. So this is your main living space. Over there where I was just pointing is where your dining is. Again, that's your front door. This is your garage. We'll go take a quick peek of this to get it out of the way before we look at the pretty stuff. So here's a 2-car garage. You got your water heater out here. And this is your HVAC system. I want you to notice that it's a Lennox brand, which is a higher end brand. This is where your washer and dryer would go. And then out this direction is your side yard. The side yard is good to notate because look at how wide and clean it is. Right? You got your AC condenser here, which is also the Lennox brand. That's your electrical panel. You got your gas meter over here. Again, how wide it is. This is where you're going to keep your trash cans. You want to do that because it'll keep the trash away from the outside of the house, so everything looks clean from the street moving in. All right, so now let's go back inside and we'll look at the pretty stuff. But notice as you'd be coming in here from either your garage or from your front door, and you would make your way out this direction for the kitchen and where everybody would be hanging out. But you have nice recessed lighting here. The pendants are beautiful. You got these large quartz countertops. Notice how they wrap around here and then they go up on the backsplash there, which is pretty nice. Notice the cabinets. They got this higher end glossy finish. All these cabinets are brand new. The pulls on them are that kind of modern feel. So take a look at here, it's all new wood, and it's got the dovetail finishes on here as well. They got the soft closing, let me close that a little bit. It is the soft closing mechanisms on the doors here and on all these drawers. See, there we go. This is a Whirlpool dishwasher. Let's see here, I think this is a Samsung, a new Samsung electric stovetop. And we have a Whirlpool refrigerator, which is also brand new. You can see right here, I mean, it's never been used. All the tapes in there, yeah, so even the stove and the oven have not been used, all brand new. All right, here's your stainless steel wide sink with the easy to use your dishes on these faucets. Lots of natural light coming in through this window, and you can see the hills in the background. Pretty nice there. Check out this dining area. Look at the tall ceilings. I love this light fixture here. It's huge. It's beautiful. And these vaulted ceilings make this room feel large and grand. You can just, again, notice how much natural light comes in through these windows. These are all new windows. This is a gas burning fireplace. You got a nice sized mantle on top. Up the stairs are 3 bedrooms, which we'll get to in just a minute. But before we do, I wanted to walk you over this direction because there is another bedroom down here, another primary bedroom here. Has its own bathroom. So there's a bathroom in this door and through this door. So let me show you what I mean. Well, here's the bathroom, but you can access it through that door, which would service the living spaces, or you can close the bedroom door like this, and then this would be a private bathroom to service this bedroom if you wanted like a master downstairs. But you got a tub in here. You got a nice wide vanity with lots of drawers, pull-out drawers on either side, which gives you a lot of counter space as well. Okay, check out the floors in here. Those hard floors carry on here. You got the taller baseboards, the can lighting or recessed lighting comes in here as well. Just lots of natural light and lots of bright feel. This is the closet. Look at how deep, how large this walk-in closet is. There's so much space in this closet. Very nice. And that is the backyard. That's where you're facing for this room. All right, so right in front of me is like a coat closet. But let's see here. Let's go ahead and make our way upstairs and check out the other bedrooms. As we're going up there, I want you to see the wall here, all the detail that they put on the walls. It's kind of like a model home feel. And then you got your hard floors that carry on through the stairs. So this is nice and clean. So here's that loft, right, that we were talking about earlier. It overlooks, the living space. It's a really cool little landing that you can use for a study right here, or maybe a library, or look at the lights. Just really cool features. This is what it would look like if you're sitting here. Maybe you had a desk. Anyway, it could be used for a lot of different cool things. All right, coming down the hallway, you have the bedroom here, another one there, and another one there, and then the bathroom down the hall. So let's make our way in this one. I love the taller ceilings. The recessed lighting is in here as well. Notice out back, you got the hills in the background, right? So really pretty views from this bedroom here. And you have the ducting up here. This is in all the bedrooms. So you got central heat and air. Hey, how's it going? Again, this room is very similar in size, but this one, it's got the full-size bed in here, so you can kind of gauge how large these rooms are. This closet's about the same size as the other one as well. And then again, this one faces out to the rear of the house with the hills in the background. All right, there's your ducting for your AC. And here's that bathroom that services this room and that room, okay? In here, you got these huge ceramic tiles, a shower with sliding glass doors. The tile work in here is nicely done. It's very modern. We got a newer vanity. Check out the lights. Those are modern and new, pretty cool. And then this bedroom here is like the biggest room upstairs. Beautiful lights in here. But this is the largest room upstairs. It could be a master up here because it has its own ensuite bathroom, which we'll get to in just a second. But this one faces towards the front of the house, which is facing south towards Mount Helix. I believe that's what that is. But here's that ensuite bathroom. So you can see what it looks like. All right, there's your sink, your toilet, and you have a tub in here as well, and some sliding glass doors to keep that nice and clean and modern looking. All right, so that's the master, and here is your, where you keep your linens. You have an upstairs, or like a top cabinet and a bottom cabinet for your towels and your bedding and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our way back downstairs and towards the backyard. Before we get out to the backyard, I want to point out this little cabinet here. This would be a cool place to keep, bigger pots and pans or crock pots or something like that, stuff that you don't use as frequently. So making our way here, you got a nice large patio, and then you have open space here. All of this could be sod. You could put a pool out here. You could put a playground. And you have this fountain currently, which is a kind of a cool little feature. I'm not sure how well it functions, but just a big open blank canvas. Imagine having like a pergola here, covered patio, but you could do pretty much anything you want out here. It's ready for you to, take your imagination and go with it. But you got big side yards. Here. So this window is your kitchen. I like that it has, this cover. You can open up your window here, or like a little towel thing, but there's stools here. You can serve food from the kitchen. It'd be kind of a cool little spot. Here's that side yard over by where we came out from the garage. Notice up here, there's no windows from the houses that are looking into your backyard from any of the neighbors. It makes it super private, right? It's private all around. Beautiful home. I love it. All right, thanks so much for touring 10712 Valor Place with me. If anyone you care about could, benefit from this information, just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name is Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar. That way, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.